Okay everyone, so for today it's week 3, day 16 of Datos Quest game dev log, and these are the things that I've been doing during the day for the game Datos Quest. And I was also working on a side project with my team in home team, and I was working on trying to improve. I really like the feature of auto-generated levels, so I would want to explore that. And I'm trying to work on improving the tile set that I made for that game, the game Legend of the Cursed. And I wanted to check out on how I can try to further lay it out in a way that it will be easy for implementation in a level generation feature in a game. So I'm working also on that. So perhaps I'll show you later the artworks that I've worked on. But for now, let's go to the demo of the game that I'm working on, Datos Quest. And as you can see here, if I try to play this, let me just see. There's this feature of you being able to hold on. No animation yet, just the feature of being able to stick on that rope. And let's see. And if I jump here, you should be able to. As you can see, I also implemented that part from where the character will be able to move up and down on that rope. As you can see, it's able to move up and down, but I'm going to of course make an animation for this implementation to be able to implement it. And if I try to go to a ladder, let me just pause this. Okay, so we now have some ladders here, and I can climb the ladder. As you can see, I can climb the ladder and I can go down, up and down, but I need to make some sort of an animation that will be, and I've improved on the slide feature. You'd see it's a lot easier to slide now. So that's one of the things that I was also able to implement for today. And perhaps I'll have to add some features here for that ladder feature. So that's for the gameplay. And for the artwork that I was working on, let me just show you. This is the update that I was working on the ladder. It's a prototype. I would want to add some texture to this. And of course, the animation for the player getting hit. As you can see, I am working on some poses here. And I'm still trying to figure out what will be a good pose for the player getting hit for that animation. And I'm also working on a side project together with my team, with Home Team Game Dev. As you can see, I'm trying to work on tile sets for our game, and you would see that I am trying to break it down. I'm pretty new with tile maps, as I've mentioned, and I want to further improve my skills here. And I like the feature of this game that involves level generation, and I'm going to explore that out for how we can try to work on setting up the tile map here. And this is actually what it will look like, but I'm trying to figure out how to draw it in a way that it will be useful for the level generation. So I'm trying to break it down per pixel, per grid, and I'm going to further research about this. And so far, that's the update that I've been doing for the game dev daily challenge that I'm doing for myself, for me to be able to further improve my game dev skills. So thank you, and see you on the next game dev vlog.